Hi guys, I'm Dion there for Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're showcasing our Air 19 single flat door with operable glass. Now, our Air 19s have kind of changed their style from a year ago. Before we had them solid without an operable glass. We recently switched them over to operable glass. Super awesome door. We love them. It's kind of modern, but not too modern, but it is. But it falls in different categories. Simple, awesome door. Zero maintenance pretty much on any of our iron doors. It's available in different color. And it's also available in different glass. This is a very common option that we see, black with frost glass. So today, this is a black door with frost glass that we're displaying today. Hey guys, so we're on the back side of the Air 19. I'm going to show you guys how the operable glass works. You basically untwist the knobs, flick them over, and you have operable glass. Again, different glasses are available on this door, and different color options are available on this door. Also, an optional screen is definitely available if you custom order this door. And that's the back of the Pinky's Air 19. Thank you for watching our Air 19 showcase today. If you need any info, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com. Or you can reach us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.